National symbols.
National symbols.
Father of the nation.
Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
National anthem, Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
National song, Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
National emblem, lion capital.
National flag.
National flag, three-color flag.
National flower.
National flower, lotus.
National animal.
National animal, tiger.
National sea animal.
National sea animal, dolphin.
National bird.
National bird, peacock.
National fruit.
National fruit, mango.
National vegetable.
National vegetable, pumpkin.
National language.
National language, Hindi.
National calendar.
National calendar, Saka.
National book.
National book, Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
National game, hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
National river, Ganga.
National flag color.
National flag color, saffron, white, green.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Nadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilapalani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
8 planets in our solar system.
8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
5 oceans.
5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean.
7 continents.
7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Neighbor countries of India.
Neighbor countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighbor states of Karnataka.
Neighbor states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka: Kuyantu, D.R. Bendre, Shivaram Karna, Bhakti Venkatesh Iyengar, B.K. Roka, Vivadanandamurthy, Girish Karna, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujirlal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimha, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indra Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, yellow, red.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Margashira, Pushya, Magha, Falguna.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Most popular international airport.
Most popular international airport: Indira Gandhi Airport in New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Hyderabad, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Bengaluru.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
Main agricultural product.
Main agricultural product: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, sugarcane.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Scientific names.
Scientific names: apple, cyrus, malus, mango, mandipera, indica, papaya, calica, pomegranate, onyx, granatum, apricot, prunus, almond, plum, prunus, blueberry, vaccinium, cyanococcus, apricot, prunus.
Scientific names.